Hello. Military greetings. Number of all Russian military aircraft and helicopters, Air Force Russia. Total aircraft. The sum of all Russian military aircraft and helicopters, complete with the type of aircraft. Includes training and cargo aircraft. Does not include drones. The total number of aircraft is 5,552 units. Including fighters aircraft 792 unit, multirole aircraft 832 units, attack and bomber aircraft 880 units, helicopters 1,724 units, UCAV, combat drone 30 units. A. Fighter aircraft 792 unit. 1. Mikoyan MiG-31, the number of aircraft is 332 units. 2. Sukhoi Su-27, total 447 units. 3. Sukhoi Su-57, total 13 units. B. Multirole aircraft 832 units. 1. Mikoyan MiG-29, the number of aircraft is 449 units. 2. Sukhoi Su-30, total 133 units. 3. Sukhoi Su-35, total 98 units. 4. Mikoyan MiG-29 Kelvins, total 22 units. 5. Sukhoi Su-34, total 124 units. 6. Mikoyan MiG-35, total 6 units. C. Attack and bomber aircraft 880 units. 1. Sukhoi Su-24, the number of aircraft is 376 units. 2. Sukhoi Su-25, total 268 units. 3. Yakovlev Yak-130, total 110 units. 4. Tupolev Tu-22M, total 67 units. 5. Tupolev Tu-95, total 42 units. 6. Tupolev Tu-160, total 17 units. D. Helicopters. 1. MiL-Mi-8-17, total 756 units. 2. MiL-Mi-24-35, total 352 units. 3. MiL-Mi-28, total 128 units. 4. Kamov Ka-52, total 151 units. 5. MiL-Mi-26, total 44 units. 6. Kamov Ka-226, total 36 units. 7. Kamov Ka-27, total 108 units. 8. MiL-Mi-38, total 2 units. 9. Mi-14, total 60 units. 10. Kamov Ka-31, total 3 units. 11. Kazan Ansat, total 50 units. 12. Eurocopter AS-350, total 3 units. 13. Eurocopter AS-355, total 2 units. 14. MiL-Mi-2, total 29 units. E. UCAV, combat drone. 1. Kronstadt Orion, total 30 units. That's the information for today. See you at the next military information. Thank you for watching to the end.